the hell was that?
That was good.
What was it?
I liked it.
She like everything.
I just be a problem in my life, girl. Yeah, from me done in a cycle. I just be a question from my wife, girl.
We are at the airport. Me and Kimberly are going on a trip. I gotta pee. Alright, let's go to the gate that we going. What? 27.
You're drinking a cafe. That cafe looks nice.
You really got college shit here in the airport. So. Really college. I should make you money. Our flight is 10. Was it 10? What time is it? 10 what? The flight.
10:50. Boarding is 10:05.
Oh, okay. We got we got an whole hour. Here we go. We're finally on the flights. Over there. Jamaica, here we come. I do know you're feeling it back. But the way you just did it just not like the way you sneaked and did it.
Alright, see, that's where it's at.
Kimberly said, where you want coconut? What's the other one? What's that one?
Summer watermelon.
Oh, I never had that.
That's what I asked you. I said you want coconut or summer watermelon.
Oh, I didn't even know that it was syrup you gave me.
You want the summer watermelon?
I want to try it.
Well, just still hold on to that one.
Yeah. Yeah, how did you buy?
About 10.
10?
Yeah.
Listen,
what about when you go to excursions? You going solo? You going solo?
This girl is a mess. Kimberly's coming prepared. Kimberly bought 10 nips. That's the name, right? Nips. Look. What are we drinking? I don't know what time it is.
It don't matter. We're on vacation. We're officially on vacation.
But I'm alright. Sipping on gin and juice. I'm scared. I'm so sensitive.
You gotta use right here.
Oh, see? This is why I don't
do our work.
This is why I don't wear
I
naps.
don't take hands all day. Ear hands.
Oh yeah, of course. You are open the damn thing. You are bartender. Cheers. Yeah.
I've been drinking fresh juice. And these be like 34 grams of sugar. I'm not gonna be drinking too much juice. Well, if it's a cocktail.
Yeah, I was just gonna say. Because we're gonna be drinking that.
When we're eating, I would be drinking
Like what?
water. I drink a lot. I'll be drunk. I'll be drunk like 9 a.m. Well, except for the day we go see your family. That's the only day I'm gonna get you.
Discard or recycle and hand out toys as you pass through the cabin. Do not leave hand wipes or other items in seat back pockets. Thank you for your cooperation. We hope you and your loved ones remain healthy and safe. It's been our absolute pleasure serving you today. We will be landing soon.
I hate this. These are national heroes. We just got here and we gonna eat some food because I'm hungry. My hair looks crazy. I cannot wait to pull my hair out. But that's beside the point. The point is, me and my best friend is here in Jamaica and we lit. Okay. You can't talk to me. Nobody. I'm hungry though. I haven't ate nothing. It's like 4 o'clock now and I haven't ate anything.
Vaccinated.
Yeah,
Take
take a test
and all that.
I'll take a test.
Jerk is still open until 6 o'clock.
Okay. It don't matter. Yeah. She said, which bed you want? Alright, so this, hey y'all. This is a quick little room tour. Ain't much. And then, this is the bathroom. Yeah, we just got here. Well, like an hour ago. Let me see if it's clean. Yeah. Something simple. We only have 5 days. We ain't go ball out. This is a fit, you know. And finally got my nails done. But dude, I hope they have a flat iron. I forgot my damn flat iron. Why they always have a blow dryer? I don't have a flat iron. They always do that. It's like, alright, this is my bed. That's Kimberly bed. And then we got a little fridge.
What's the Wi-Fi? I ain't hear nothing.
She didn't give you no Wi-Fi. See, she messing up. First she done mess up our damn room. Then this girl a clean free.
This is what you gotta do.
Kimberly was on the plane wiping down.
Everything you touch, you can see, look, the phone and everything, all that stuff.
Look at she walk with her wipes and stuff. But yeah, and this is our balcony. It feels nice. I'm surprised it's not really hot down here in JA. But we're gonna get something to eat. We're gonna freshen up and go outside and get something to eat. It's after 5 right now. So we're trying to go to the jerk out place, but it's gonna close soon. So we're gonna wait until 6 and go to the buffet and tear up some food because the meat on your body. We're gonna call them for the Wi-Fi. Food. What time is it? 7 o'clock. Kimberly come back open. Check that out.
You think I'm playing? I'm not playing.
I know you're not playing.
Is it strong enough though? You know why they pre-make it? That's why.
Bro, this call, Kimberly, I would never listen to you again.
How did in New York? I was supposed to make a crap.
For real?
No, I was supposed to make like.
So we're ready right now. It's going on, it's going on.
I'm me trying to surprise my brother, and I called him, he didn't believe me. I sent him the money, he didn't believe me. I had to send him my freaking flight, and he didn't believe me.
I'm some peace giving to you all, John. Excuse me.
This is I took the cup. I was about to.
Yeah, he did, took the cup.
I was about to shake it.
You gotta look at it?
What?
You gotta look at it now?
It's going down, it's going down, it's going down.
Kimberly like, it's not giving. I need some liquor.
That was not liquor.
This girl is a mess. I'm fine with this.
That's true. See, you can do it where you are. I'm not drinking.
Yeah, that's juice.
Some other man was like, man, put more rum in this.
He said what?
Put more rum in this.
Ladies, sorry. Okay. Need anything else to say?
Yeah, for now, thanks.
Yeah, man, if you know this one, you should sing along right now.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Rapper. When I move. Stop lying. Oh, my God, this is so quick. I should have listened to you. I should have got some braids. I'm cold. You really got me freezing out here. It's cold. I mean, let me drink your water. Some watermelon.
Jamaican your property right now. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Do this. Yeah, man, give it some scare right now. Taking it way, way back in Jamaican history.
You see, it's covering my face. It's covering my face.
Oh, you mean? Oh, man. Oh, really?
That was good.
What the hell was that?
That was good.
What was it?
I liked it.
She like everything. Yes, she do though.
What was it?
I don't know. He said that was good. He said not do our stuff.
I want to.
You see? Kimberly don't say nothing. When it comes to liquor, what's your favorite one you may make it for yourself? Yo, that shit was strong.
What's the closest? Okay.
Bruh. She know I can't manage.
She can't manage.
You know I can't manage. Yeah, you can, because you're a pro. I'm lightweight, that's why. Can't want my liquor. Unlike her. She could drink like 5 of them and she's still normal. I could drink 2, not even 2, 1, and I'm like all over the place. So Kimberly is a pro in that.
Yo, you remember when we went to that place?
Probably.
And what was that? In Inwood. Remember that? Remember when we had that picture? The picture.
Oh,
And what was that? That was like by the bridge.
the Hudson.
The Hudson. Yeah.
No, we're not doing that. You said, like you said,
Alright, come on.
again. Oh Jesus, again. And she's not even done her Bob Marley, her fake Bob Marley. Sorry. Here we go again. We're not drinking no more after this.
You're not drinking more after this?
No.
Sorry, seriously.
Thank you.
You know you can do it.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Oh no. You said that before.
I like it. I want to think of it.
It tastes like kind of like blueberry.
And blue curacao.
Oh, I know something blue is in it.
Blue curacao.
Oh, okay. Want sleep? I'm so sleepy. I never. You ever had the Reside beer? You like it?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like it. I don't like the taste of it.
No.
My grandmother loved that.
That's good. I like
I think she like. I think she like Guinness now too. Also. Child. I'll go to sleep right here.
it. You tired?
I'm sleepy, duh. I go to the party.
What's it called? Port Royal?
Port Royal, yeah. Don't knock it till you try it. The man said you gotta put your head top.
Keep them damn long.
That's what he said, Kimberly. You're gonna be on your head top.
Yeah, okay.
Yo, that would be funny. I ain't never seen Kimberly dance wild.
I don't dance wild.
She dance. We whine. I don't know how to dance. I'm Jamaican. I don't know how to do none of them dances.
I know.
What you trying to say? Like, no, I'm saying though, I don't know how to dance.
I know.
Shut up. I honestly was trying to learn how to do some.
What?
I think it's fling, ding dong. Like last summer I was actually.
When me and you went to the club and it was on.
Yeah. That same weekend I was in my room honestly listening to mad ding dong songs and trying to learn these dances.
I'm so embarrassed.
Shut up.
I'm like embarrassed.
Embarrassed for what?
You're Jamaican and you don't know how to do it.
Because I don't.
So embarrassed.
Shut up. She said I'm so embarrassed for you. Because I mean, I don't take time to learn how to do the dances. I'm okay with just whining. I'd rather whine than learn how to dance.
I never even seen you whine.
We went to sip and chat.
Alright, and I was drunk the whole time. So I ain't know that.
Oh, wow, okay, well this is your problem. Because I was whining. Don't do me like that.
You don't make me spit.
Why you say? She almost spilled her drink out. Why you
That was funny.
I said, I felt like if I had stayed in Jamaica, not saying my shit bad, but I'm not sure about it. But I'm just You okay over there? No, I'm just saying, like, I feel like I would have shaped so good. I feel like I would have shaped so good.
Why? Why do you think that?
Because because it's real food we eating, ground food and stuff. We might eat no processed food and none of that shit. That's why I feel like I would have shaped so good. She said if she had stayed in Guyana, she would have been sloppy. I have 5 kids. Why are you doing that? You for real? You feel like that for real?
Yes.
Why?
I talked to my sister about that like 2 weeks ago.
Why y'all think that though?
I said, what if we never came to America? What do you think you would have been doing? I said, I can't remember what she said, but I said, I think I'd have been married with like mad kids. A stay-at-home mom.
Not me.
I feel like that's what I would have did. I don't know who I would have married, but if I'm sober, no.
You always sober.
If not, tomorrow morning, I promise you.
Alright, let's take the shots.
That was smooth.
What was that?
With this?
That shit was strong as hell.
Groundwork.
No sound. She said that was smooth. Like what?
Smooth.
Not to me.
See, because you don't know liquor like me.
You're damn right. I ain't an alcoholic. I thought she was gonna say nothing. I thought you was gonna say something. I am
no alcohol.
I said that for you to say something.
Vacation.
I know, no. I said that to see what you gonna say, but you didn't say nothing, so I just left it alone.
You know when was the last time I drank before today?
Kimberly said, I am.
Do you know when was the last time I drank before today? It must have been like, I don't know how long.
No, my friend, she's not a alcohol. I was just playing. But I just said I was trying to get her reaction, but she didn't say nothing.
Before we came here, I told you I was gonna be drinking a lot.
I know. I expect that. No. I did not. I did not.
She underestimated.
No, I did not.
I was really gonna drink.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not. Listen, guys.
Mr. Bartender, I'm ready for my. Okay, that was my 8th, 9th. I'm ready for my.
How much I had, Kimberly?
I don't know, like 3 or 4.
She had 8. And she's so normal. And look at me.
I'm waiting for my 9th.
I am dying. And this is what I do when I'm tipsy. I am drunk. I laugh at every fucking thing. Kimberly, oh my gosh, and she is so sober. Look at this girl.
What's your name? Damien? Right, Damien?
Oh, I didn't see his name. Oh, okay. So you deal with me? Well, I talk to SpongeBob all the time.
We're having our first fight.
Listen, he working, he doing his job, okay?
Flying don't involve.
This is part of the job.
Flying doesn't include that.
Part of
No.
the job, right?
I guess not.
No, it's not. Yeah, that's funny. I'm putting him on. I don't want him. He cool. Yeah, I don't want him. I'll just put him on. Don't want to know. Can't trust her. That don't mean nothing.
She had to say to me, so she
I'm a naturally flirt. I flirt naturally. That's it. Yeah, woman, don't please. Talk about I don't like you. Talk about like
after her, you go home to your wife and kids.
I'm so single.
Kids.
You know what I mean?
But how much kids you got?
I don't have any kids.
Thank you.
Thanks, you're nice. Give me some. What's wrong with you? Thank you. Good nice. Need cheaper fries. I'm gonna give you more fries. What are you just saying? I have one on my back.
Try to.
I am looking. Where the way so? You don't follow me? You don't follow me?
Follow you.
Yeah.
Alright, you don't remember this.
Can't find no room. You said what? Bro, we cannot find a room. Yo, how we don't?
I gotta pee.
How we don't know our room though?
Let's go to the front desk.
It's after 2. Damn, we gotta go all the way downstairs.